welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about this look. So this is the first time I've done like a bold lip like this, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Just before we go in, click the subscribe button down below, join the family, and I'll jump right into this tutorial. Okay, so I've used the Embroyolise primer. So I use this to prep my face. I'm using this as a moisturizer and a primer today. I use my badesco facial spray first, then I use this, and I've done my brow offline as well. So I'm just going to jump right into the foundation. So I'm going to be using these two foundation, Nars Radiance foundation and also the Loreal Infallible foundation. For the Nars, I'm using the shade New Caledonia. For the Loreal, I'm using the shade 340 for Loreal Infallible. The Nars is slightly dark and the Loreal is my kind of better shade, maybe a bit lighter, so that's why I'm merging this two to give me my perfect shade. I'm going to start off with the Nars for my spot, just to get to correct the spots areas. Literally doing 2 pumps because it's not a lot of coverage with the Nars. It's like medium to, it's like a medium coverage, not a lot. I'm going to be using this brush. This is Bailey brush I got from AliExpress, just a dumb brush like so. I'm going to blend this all out. So I'm literally just tapping it in. So tap 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 just to blend this in. So I'm still dabbing this in. This is the Nars applied and looking okay, and then I'm gonna go in ultra with the Loreal Infallible. This is 24 hours fresh wear. Okay, so I'm literally just tapping as well. And this kind of bring back the color, my yellow undertone. It's got a yellow undertone, so I like this color 340. So, and it's got a good coverage as well. I'm just tapping it in like I did that. I'm using exactly the same brush. This is looking really good. I like the mixed. So you can still see the radiance of the natural radiance and also the nice glow that this foundation gives. So really like this combination, guys. This is the first time I've tried the two together, so these are quite good combinations. So this is what the foundation is looking like so far. I'm trying to blend it too to my neck as well, just to make sure there is no like line here. So it's just good you do it like so, not necessarily doing your neck, but there is no line here, so it blends nicely down here just like so. Okay, so this is looking really good. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Butterscotch. I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes, cubicle area, tip of my nose like so, forehead, literally the areas where I would usually highlight. So this gives a very nice soft like blush kind of look to the cheeks. Putting in the high points on my cheekbones. Tiny bit here as well. I'm not going in my inner tear duct, and I've used this is a UK brand. This is black owned brand. This is All Flourish Cosmetics. This is a UK brand. This one is All Flourish Cosmetics highlighter, and it's got like 4 shades in here. Don't know if you can see the shades, but it's got like 4 nice shades here. And I'm using this gold shade. I'm using this gold shade here to highlight my inner tear duct, and it's giving me this bomb highlight here. When I saw these 4 colors, I knew that they would be nice for inner tear duct. So they are highlighters, so I'm gonna do some on my cuticle area. These are black owned brands as well, the TM Essentials black owned brand. So this is the cheek glaze, and this is cheek glaze as well. They're both bubble and headline. Bubble and headline. This is what I use on my cheeks. It gives a very nice glowy look to the cheeks. And yeah, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petals. So I'm gonna do my cuticle, tip of my nose and hair, and then I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna do my lips. For my lips, I'm gonna be using this gorgeous lipstick I got from, it's called Black Cherry. This lipstick is from Revlon. Right, so before I use this, I'm gonna line my lips first. It's my Kiko liner, and I'm gonna line my lips. Okay, so and then I'm gonna use this to kind of my lipstick. This is the shade, gorgeous color. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a huge like as well. Subscribe, join the family. The button is just down below. Click, 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 click. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.